Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a card with just a few clicks using Canva.com, a leading tool for graphic design. You can access this website by clicking the link on the description box below. After you log into the website, you can go to Templates, and under Personal, you can click on Card. You will be then presented with hundreds of templates to choose from. So you can pick any of these templates. You could also access this top panel to choose what's best for you. Let's say we'll go to thank you card. So if you have a recent event and you want to have a customized thank you card that will be sent out through your social media platforms, you could definitely use this. So you will have these amazing pre-designed templates. So let's pick one. So if you have, you just recently had a wedding, you could also pick any of these. So let's just click on this one and then confirm. So you will now be redirected to a page where you can customize the design. So you could change the photos, you could change the text by clicking on these left side panel tools. So you could change your photo, you could add elements, you could change your text, and even add a video of the event if you wanted to. So let me start mine by changing the photos. So here, you could also upload your own photo if you wanted to. Just click on the upload icon and then upload your chosen photo. But for now, for this video, I'm just gonna choose to select a certain photo here. Wedding. Let's say wedding. Let's see here. Click this one. So if you have selected selected a picture, you could just simply drag and drop it onto the page. And then now next to it is I'm going to change the text. So changing the text is very easy. You just have to click on it and change the content. So you made joy complete. Thanks for the newlyweds. Something like that. So if you're now done and happy with your design, you can now click here to download your card. So it would automatically suggest a file type for you. So you could also customize that. If you want it to be an image quality, then you can click PNG or JPG. But for now, for this video, I'm gonna choose PNG for high quality download. After that, you can click the download to confirm. And now it's preparing your design. There we go. So you can now use your downloaded file and be posted on your social media platforms or to be sent out personally. So creating cards can now be more fun using Canva.com. But if you want it to be done professionally, you can also use Singularity. Check out the description box below for more info. Thank you all for watching this video and see you guys next time.